guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. In this video, I want to talk about how to hard code subtitles into your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. So I will demonstrate using a video on my channel that I don't have hard code subtitles for. So I'm going to go into my channel, and as you can see, these are all of my videos, and I'm just going to pick one that I haven't put subtitles on. So that would be this one here, buying a DJI Mavic Mini. So I'm going to firstly download this video. So I'm going to click the three dots here and I'm going to click download, and that will download this video onto my computer. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this video and I'm going to go into the subtitle section. Okay, and you can see that this video already has subtitles published by me. So I actually went in there and I edited the default subtitles, which were automatically generated. If you do not have subtitles that you've put up yourself, then skip this step, because it's better to generate the subtitles in Premiere Pro and edit it within Premiere Pro than to edit it here. But just in case you have already got your own subtitles, I'm now going to download the subtitles here in SRT format. Okay, so you have the video and you have the subtitles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these two files in a folder on my desktop. So you can see here on my desktop, I have a folder called Subtitles Premiere Pro Tutorial, and I have the two files that I have just downloaded. Okay, the next thing I will do is open up Premiere Pro. Okay, so in Premiere Pro, I'm going to go to New Project, and I'm just going to save this project in the same folder on my desktop as my other files. And I'm going to name this project, I'm just going to call it Subtitles Tutorial. Okay, so I've created a brand new project with nothing in it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that folder and I'm going to drag the video onto the timeline. Okay, so the video is onto my timeline, and you can see that if I play the video, it'll just have me talking in the video. There's no subtitles in the video. Okay, the next thing you want to do is, if you have a look at all of these layouts you have on the top, you got effects, editing. One of them will be called captions. So you have to click on captions. So you're probably on editing or effects. But if you click on captions, you will see on the left-hand side, this panel opens up saying you can either transcribe a sequence, which is what you would do if you don't have that SRT file, or you can create new caption track, or you can import captions from file. Okay, so import captions from file is what we want, because we have the captions that we've just downloaded. So we're going to import it, and then we're going to import it from this folder, captions.srt, open. Okay, and you can just leave these settings the way they are and click OK again. Okay, and you can see now I have subtitles on the bottom. Okay, and these subtitles will be hard coded. These subtitles are hard coded. Okay, so if you export this video, you will see it in the export file. But you can see they're really small. So I'm going to teach you how to make them big. So you just click on one of them in the subtitle track, and you can click the text to change the font. You can make it slightly bigger, so you can see that's way too big. I'm just going to make it, let's say 40. 40 is probably a bit small. 50, maybe even bigger, 60. Okay, so that's slightly bigger. And then what I'm going to do is, you can see that if I go to other subtitles, they're small again. Small, small, big. So I'm going to make the big one the default for all the subtitles. So you just click this upward arrow which says push to track, and all captions on track. Click OK. Alright, so now every single subtitle is that size. Once you're happy with the subtitles, you can simply click on File, Export Media. Okay, and you can save this wherever you want. So I'm just going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to put subtitles at the front. Okay, maybe turn the bitrate down, so make it a bit smaller. Export it, and we will see that the final video will have the subtitles. Okay, so once you are done, I'm going to minimize it so that I can show you subtitled video. So I'm going to double click on this video, and you can see that if I go to any part of my video, you can see there's now subtitles matching what I'm saying. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the words are definitely matching what I'm saying. Alright, so that's how you hard code subtitles onto a video using Premiere Pro. So now I'm going to show you guys the second way to add subtitles to your video, and that is if you do not have an SRT file already. So if you haven't uploaded things on YouTube and you haven't typed out subtitles yourself using YouTube or another program, now you can do that within Premiere Pro, and it's actually really easy. So you can see here I have the video that you've just been watching, and there are no subtitles right now. So if you play it, there are no subtitles. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I am on the captions layout. Okay, so rather than effects or editing, you're on captions. And on the left hand side, you then want to go to text, captions, and you're going to click on transcribe sequence. And what this will allow you to do is it will turn what you say into text automatically. So you're just going to leave these settings to the way they are, and you're just going to click on transcribe. Okay, so now it's doing it, transcribing sequence, and we're just going to wait and see what happens. Okay, so now it's done the captions, but what you want to do is you want to convert from this view where it's got all the text written out to being able to edit the text when you can see it in your video. So you're going to click on create captions. Okay, so all of these settings here, create from sequence, transcript. Don't worry about the preset, the format. We're going to change all that later. And then you're just going to make sure that you have double lines and click create. So now it has created the captions. And what that means is when you drag the timeline to the playhead on the timeline, you can now see the hard-coded subtitles. And then all you have to do is, again, click on one of them and make it slightly bigger. So I think we said 60 last time. Okay, and align it to the bottom, change the appearance, change the stroke, shadow, all that stuff. And when you're happy with it, make sure you click the up arrow key again to push this style to all captions on your video. So they will all be the same size. Okay, so they're all now 60. Every single subtitle is now 60. And then what you want to do is you want to go through your video and just make sure that what Premiere Pro has automatically generated matches what you're saying. So now you can just play through the video. I will demonstrate using a video on my channel that I don't have hardcode subtitles for. So I'm going to go. So you're just going to check. And as you can see, these are all of my videos, and I'm just going to pick one that I haven't put So it's actually done really well. Okay, so let's say you run into something that doesn't match. I actually can't see any right now, which is pretty crazy. Okay, so I can see something, and that's during the intro. During the intro, it actually prints out what I'm saying, what I'm singing in the intro. So I'm just gonna highlight that, press delete, and it's gone.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Okay, and I'm going to add hey guys over here. So I'm just gonna click hey guys. Oops, I'm on Chinese typing. 1 second. Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Okay, so you can just change the text, and then you can try playing it again. It's Eddie the Magic Monk. In this video, I want to talk about how to hard code subtitles into your video using a... Okay, so basically you just go through the video, you change the text over here. When you're all done, save file, export, and repeat the same thing that I showed you guys earlier. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.